Wheeler, where does Daddy work?
To go away.
That's right. What's your name?
Ava.
Yeah, what's your sister's name?
Dragon.
Dragon? Bless you, Wheeler. Bless you. Wheeler, what did you do today?
To go away.
You didn't go to Chick-fil-A. Did you go to school?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes. So what did you do at school?
Dragon.
What?
Dragon.
Did you paint?
Yeah.
Did you color?
Horse.
You colored a horse?
Yeah.
Did you play?
Hand.
You got it on your hands?
Yeah.
That's okay. Did you play outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wheeler, can you make a silly face? Can you make a silly face? Okay, let's go get Reese. We gotta go get Reese. Yep, she's